just a T-Series unit here. This is just a quick overview of like the home page and how these like apps and like widgets work. So for example, if I click and tap on that and drag it, you can see I can drag it up to the top here and go remove. You can see that it's now gone. If I put undo, it'll come back. If I actually wanted to uninstall an app, I have to click on the app button down here, and then that Chrome one I just did, if I click and sort of hold on it, I can drag it back onto the home screen here, like so. So that is how you can move them like around. You can see you've got these two dots down here. So if I actually come across, you can have your extra apps on here. You have different things going on, extra ones you want to install. Again, we've got a different video if you want to install those apps that comes from the Play Store. So basically that is how that home bit works, and it's like this is how you get into all the apps here. Now, for example, if I did that, I click on the eye, I could uninstall that app. And if I did want to drag up Magic Earth onto the home page, you can put it on the home page like that, or you could put it on this other page. Now, you do have these like bigger things, which is like a widget. So if I click on here and go like widget, you've got these like widgets here you can add. So there's a few in here you can add different sort of ones. They are all basically like Android links, so they will be sort of like what they already were, for example. So if you have an Android unit, you will understand what some of these are. If you don't, they're sort of like link to different things. Not too big. So if we come back into it, widgets. So I touch and hold on one, and you can like bring it in like that. So that is like basically how you bring a widget onto there. Again, you can get like so a little bit up the top, exactly the same as the app. So that is basically how the home interface works. You got home and apps. You can shift these apps around and do what you want to do with them.